Hi, Rob here from Cable Markers. I'm going to show you how to download the print drivers for the CMC-225 and 323 printers. We get those from bartendersoftware.com. So we'll start a web browser, type in www.bartendersoftware.com. The link will be in the show notes here. We want to select drivers and go for the printer brand. It's a TSC printer, so we're going to go down to TSC. The model number is going to be the TSC-TTP 225 or 323. Right here's the 225. That's what we're going to download right now. We'll download. As you can see, this is downloading down here on the left side of my browser. It may be slightly different for you depending on what browser you're using. Once that's finished, we can select it and install. We're going to accept the license agreement. We're going to let it go ahead and install. Right here it says run driver wizard after unpacking. We want to select that. We can deselect the read installation instructions here because I'm going to walk you through it. Once it's finished installing, it should start up here. And we're going to say we want to install a print driver. Yes. Ours is going to be right now, if you don't have the printer connected, you're going to want to select other right here. We'll change that later. Next, we want to select the printer that we're looking for, which here is a TSC-225. Going to select next. We can just leave it at COM1 for right now. We'll change that. Actually, right here you could actually select the USB if it's listed. But right now we're just going to select COM1. And then, as I said, when we come back and plug in the printer, we can go ahead and change that to the USB port. We can give it a name here, which normally we would type in CMC-225, or else you can leave it as that default TSC-TTP 225. And finish. Once a printer is installed, we do have to actually change the default settings on the print driver. You can actually, there's another video listed that shows you how to do that. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, shoot me an email.